Alright guys, welcome back again. This is a part 2 video of our previous tomato sauce. This is the tomato sauce, guys, that was refrigerated. Now we're going to be doing, in the spaghetti, we're going to add some Eden Garden veggie balls. These are very tasty, guys. So bring to boil some water, add some salt, because we're going to boil the spaghetti. Can add an entire pack or half pack, whichever serving you want. Just add that amount, right? We're working with 1 pack today. Alright, so for the veggie balls, you know, we're going to use the tomato sauce. If is it that you need, you can add some salt, black pepper, and Mrs. Dash Italian medley, right? So we're going to slightly fry up the veggie balls. And remember to add some oil to the spaghetti. We don't want them to stick, right? So just slightly brown these on each side. We don't want to fry them up too much. No deep fry nothing either. So just fry them up, and then, you know, just, yeah, me can't stress you know too much. I show you how to make homemade sauce, and then I go show you again how to make homemade veggie balls, even though it's very easy. But for the persons who are on the go and very quick, you can get yourself some ready-made veggie balls, right? Yeah man, these ready to come out now. Alright guys, you can add up this sauce. And for additional flavor, we're going to add the Mrs. Dash Italian seasoning, right? So remember, so we are going to add the meatball. And you know, once it, you know, tastes nice. I mean, I tell us, guys, if you think that you want the sauce to be a little bit smoother, you can go right ahead and blend it out how you like it. But I think me like it the way here, you know. So we are going to add the when it's hot now, then we add the meatball to it. I tell us, this is a sauce. I say one, guys. Me not like two, no, me not like. You know, try it. You can keep it in the refrigerator too for the longest time, maybe like about 3 weeks. Yes guys, you can add the balls now. You can just make it simmer down for like maybe 10 minutes. Alright, so when the spaghetti is finished, I want you to just garnish it with some fresh basil. We don't want to add these to it because we want it to smell as fresh as possible and, you know, give off that nice aroma. Yeah man, that's enough. Let's chop these a little finer. Good to go. So just sprinkle on some of the fresh basil on top and make it stay right here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like our video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.